Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I'm going to teach you and dear Tara how to talk like a Native American. So without further ado, let's go. So it's winter, but I'm wearing t-shirt.
Why?
Because actually it's warm in here and right now it's hot. You can say it's hot or you can say I'm hot.
I'm hot.
But a Native American says I'm boiling.
I'm boiling.
I'm roasting.
I'm roasting.
Yeah, I'm roasting.
Roasting.
Yes, if it's hot, if it's warm, you can use this phrase. I'm hot.
I'm hot.
I'm boiling.
I'm boiling.
I'm roasting.
I'm roasting.
Yes. Okay.
But it's cold.
Yeah. No, it's not. Is it?
It's cold.
I met someone.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, a beautiful girl. She's so beautiful. I'm in love.
Really?
Yeah,
True love.
true love.
Just
So,
because
but
the face.
let me teach you something with my condition. If you're in love, you can
Okay.
say, I'm head over heels.
I'm head over heels.
Head over heels.
Head over heels.
Or you can say, I'm crushing.
I'm crushing.
Yeah, I'm crushing.
I'm crushing.
I'm head over heels.
I'm head over heels.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that way. So I think you're not those type of person who says something like these.
No.
Yeah. You're like,
It's good.
yeah, okay, you're cool.
You're cool.
Yeah.
We can just.
You're in.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough for you. You're like a cat, actually.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, cats are like this. I mean, a dog is like, oh, I love you, baby. You're my God. I worship you. I adore you. But cats are like,
I'm the God.
yeah,
Worship me.
I allow you to worship me. Okay, you are just allowed to worship.
Yeah.
Yeah, cats
Give
are
me
like
love,
this.
Give me food.
Yeah. Okay, so you can say, I'm head over heels.
I'm head over heels.
Not head over heels. Say it with emotions.
Head over heels.
Head over heels. No, not like that. Head over heels.
Head over heels.
Like, do the eyebrows.
You're supposed to feel.
Do the
first
eyebrows.
and
Do the
say
eyebrows. Not
Head over
like this.
heels.
Like this.
that. Head over heels.
You cannot even try.
No.
Okay.
Because I don't feel that way about someone.
Okay, so same, but I was acting.
It's supposed to be real. I'm
Yeah?
not an actor. I'm
Okay.
human.
Okay, but a teacher should be an actor too.
Yeah. And I'm a student,
Unfortunately,
so.
So a student shouldn't. So you cannot express your feelings,
I can.
but you said you can't.
I can.
So you said you can't.
I'm not
That good.
that
At
good,
it.
but I'm good at it. I think.
So, I'm surprised
Why?
because of that. Because you should do that. But let me teach you something with the things that I just said.
Okay.
I'm surprised.
You're surprised.
Yes. Instead of saying I'm surprised, you can say I'm shocked.
I'm shocked.
Yes, I'm shocked. I mean, I'm shocked that you cannot express your feelings easily. You should. I mean, you have to. Not have to. You better to. I mean, it's better. I mean, we have to communicate in this world. And if you cannot communicate, you cannot find a good partner.
I don't give
You don't
no,
give a
no.
damn. Okay. Yes.
I don't
So,
give a damn.
okay. So instead of saying I'm surprised, you can say I'm shocked.
I'm
but
shocked.
yes. Yeah. But let's say you see some things amazing and you get surprised how good it is.
How can
Yeah,
it be so good?
yeah, how good it is. You can say it took my breath away.
They took my breath away.
Not they, it.
Cats.
It took my breath away.
It took my breath away.
Took.
Took.
Not took. It took my breath away.
It took my breath away.
Yes, exactly.
The cats.
Yeah, the cats took her breath away. You can, I mean, show that face about cats, but not human.
No,
They're what?
they're
Not good enough.
They're-
Okay, okay. Very good.
Isn't it cold in here?
No, it's warm, but are you cold?
I'm cold.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna fix that. But instead of saying I'm cold, you can say I'm freezing.
I'm freezing.
Yes, I'm
I'm
freezing.
literally freezing.
Yeah, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, someone texted me. So you can say I'm freezing.
I'm freezing.
Yes. Or you can say I'm chilled to the bone.
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 Yeah, so it means I'm cold.
I'm cold.
Yeah.
I'm cold.
You're cold.
Yeah.
I'm hot. I mean, good combination.
Yeah. Ice and fire.
Yeah.
Queen of ice.
One of my friends, he called me yesterday and he said, hey man, I went to Dubai and I bought a Rolex
Oh.
and I did this and I did that. And he was bragging and he was showing off. I was like, okay, dude, I get it. You're rich. So yeah, he was bragging and all. Reason that I tell you that is that when you want to say someone is rich, you can say he's loaded.
He's loaded.
Yeah, he's loaded. You can say I'm rich, I'm loaded.
I'm rich. I'm loaded.
No, not I'm rich, I'm loaded. I'm loaded.
I'm loaded.
I'm rolling in dough.
I'm rolling in dough.
Yeah, rolling in dough.
Rolling into tea.
Yeah. Rolling in dough.
Rolling in dough.
D-O-U-G-H, dough. Rolling, yes, rolling in dough.
What dough mean?
Dough,
Dough.
yeah, something that you make bread with it, dough.
Okay.
Yeah,
Rolling in dough.
yeah. I'm rolling in dough, it means I'm rich.
I'm rich.
Yeah,
Rich is better. I'm rich.
no. I'm rolling in dough, yo.
I'm rolling in dough, bro.
But you know me, I'm poor.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's bad.
it is, it's bad. I'm broke as a joke.
You're broke as a joke.
Yeah, I'm broke as a joke.
Broke as a joke.
I'm poor.
You're poor.
Yeah, I'm living hand to mouth.
Hand to mouth?
Hand
Hand?
to mouth.
Oh,
Yeah,
hand
it
to
means I'm
mouth.
poor.
Broke as a joke?
Broke as a joke.
Hand to mouth?
I'm living hand to mouth.
You're living hand to mouth.
I'm living, yeah.
I'm living hand to mouth.
I'm living hand to mouth.
Broke as a
So
joke.
it means, yeah,
You're poor. No. You're poor.
no. I'm just kidding. As a joke. Broke as a joke.
Broke as a joke.
When you eat too much and you cannot eat anymore, what do you say?
I'm full.
I'm full, yes. Or you can say, I'm stuffed.
I'm stuffed.
Yeah, it means I'm full. I'm full to the brim.
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 Not this, like I'm full until
I'm
here,
full
so I
until here.
cannot eat again anymore. So yeah, I'm full to the brim.
I'm full to the brim.
Yeah, I'm stuffed.
I'm stuffed.
Yeah, so I'm so foodie. I never, will experience the feeling of being
Falling to the
stuffed. Yeah, I can always just make room for an ice cream or for a dessert. I love desserts.
I'm not foodie, but I love ice cream. Ice cream.
Yeah,
You.
ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yes, good. And something is not expensive, it's
Cheap.
yes. But if you want to talk like a native, you can say it's dirt cheap.
Dirt cheap.
Dirt.
Dirt
Yeah.
cheap.
Dirt cheap. It's dirt cheap.
It's dirt cheap.
Yes. Or you can say it's a steal.
It's a steal.
It's a steal.
Steal.
Yes. It means it's so cheap.
So cheap.
Yeah, it's a steal.
It's a steal.
It's
Dirt
cheap. Yes. So, did you buy anything on Black Friday?
Yeah.
What did you buy?
I don't remember, but I know I bought something.
Yeah. So you don't remember things?
No. The
Yeah.
details.
You don't know the details.
Yeah. I think I bought a scarf. but it wasn't cheap.
Okay. So when something is not cheap, it's
Expensive.
expensive. Very good. So when something is expensive, we can say it costs an arm and a leg.
It costs an arm and a leg.
It costs an arm and a leg.
Costs
An arm
and a leg.
and a leg. Yes. So it means you have to sell one arm,
And your
one leg, so you can buy that thing.
It costs.
Or you can simply just sell your kidney. I don't know why you should. I mean, do we have some people to, buy a leg? In black market, do we?
I don't know.
Hey, I want to buy your arm. I want to buy your leg. Yeah, you can buy my kidney,
No.
but not my dignity.
No.
So it costs,
It costs
an arm and a leg.
an arm and a leg.
Yeah. Or you can say, it's a ripoff.
It's a ripoff.
It's a ripoff.
It's a ripoff.
Yeah, stop it. It's a ripoff. It's so expensive.
It's a
I'm not
ripoff.
going to pay for that, yo. Not yo. Man,
Man.
sir.
It's a ripoff.
Sir, it's a ripoff. I'm not going to pay for that.
I'm not gonna pay for that.
Yes, if you
It's a
say with
ripoff.
that accent, he's like, okay, cutie. It is. It is what it is. You have to do it with rage. You have to be angry.
It's so expensive. I'm not going to buy.
It's a ripoff.
Buy.
Bye. Okay, say it. It's a ripoff.
It's a ripoff.
Yes.
It costs an arm and a leg.
An arm and a leg.
An arm and a leg. Fair. Fair.
When something is not hard, it's
Easy.
yes. But you can say it's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake. Yes, it means it's easy, like eating a piece of cake.
It's
No, don't say it like that. Say it's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake.
Yes, just like that. Or you can say it's breathing.
Breathing. It's
Breathing.
breathing.
Not breathing, breathing.
Breathing.
It's different with breathing.
Breathing.
So say breathing.
Breathing.
It's breathing. It's like so easy. It's like
Breathing is like so easy.
just like that.
It's like
Yeah. Easy. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy. So when something is not easy, it's
Hard.
hard. Very good. You can say it's tough.
Tough.
It's an uphill battle.
It's an uphill battle.
Yeah, it means it's so hard. It's an uphill battle.
So hard. It's an uphill battle.
Yeah, it's tough.
It's tough.
It's hard.
It's hard.
It's an uphill battle.
It's an uphill battle.
Yes,
Yes.
very good.
Very good.
So that was all about today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch other videos as well. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.